Oh my God.
Yo, somebody call an ambulance. Who is this kid?
Does anybody know him?
You there? Yeah, we got you. No worries. Everything's gonna be fine.
Seriously, Patrick, what are you doing?
How's the cake on the window?
Shopping online.
Girl! It's good.
Is there a way to find a cure for this and put it in a pill? Just the name upon the bottle which determines if it will. Is the problem you're allergic to a well-familiar name?
Excuse me?
Huh?
Could you take a look at this?
Fill that out.
Watch out, coming through! Watch out! Here we go! We got you. Is he conscious? Is he even breathing? He's already had about 10 cc's of morphine. Okay, got it.
What's happening? What do you got for me?
Well, Doc, we got a blunt, heavy chest trauma.
Yep.
Severe head injury. We got a crushed left femur. A convoluted fracture of the tibia.
What are the vitals?
His pulse is down to 80 and his BP's at 84.
Okay, thanks. We'll take it from here.
Let's get a trauma pound. We need a lateral feed over here.
Can you mount a morphine drip?
We need some wacky on a taxi and a double up.
That big toe needs cutting off.
We need a pelvis strip.
This guy is in a lot of pain.
I think we got a lot of trouble here. Let's see. Maybe you get that thing pumped out over there. Fix that.
Oh man, I gotta film this. Yo, what's up, dude? You remember me? I was the one filming you when you got hit by that bus. Dude, you got messed up by that bus. Damn.
Hi, you've been in a serious accident. We need to get you into surgery right away. But before we can do that, I need some information from you. Use this.